Drama, 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 drama.
Hello, Drama Mama Programa Ohana. Today, we're making a 5-part braid. 5 parts. 2 to one side, 2 to the other, and 1 in the middle. 5-part braiding is easy as can be. So, remember, we're always moving from one side to the other. 2 to the right, 2 to the left, and 1 in the middle. And we just begin with over. There's our 1 in the middle, right? Over, under, and we have a new middle. Okay, so now we go back to the right with over, under. You'll notice I'm using different colors so you can see the pink one is in the middle. To the left, over, under. Now the bright green strand will become the middle. So we'll flip over to the right side and we'll take the blue over, under, and now the blue becomes the middle. So we flip over to the left side and the red goes over, under. Take your time, and now the red strip becomes the middle. Okay, pick up that green over, under. And we keep moving. 2 to the right, 2 to the left, and 1 down the middle. Over, under. Now that pink's in the middle. Flip to the other side and we go over, under. Now the lime green is in the middle. You're starting to see a 5-part braid, which is very pretty and kind of looks more complicated than it actually is. It's fun to make these braids, isn't it? Take your time, little by little, 2 in the middle, 2 to the side, 1. There we go. 1 in the middle, 2 to each side. Alright, we're getting the hang of this. Looking good in the neighborhood, everybody, with your 5-part braid. And there we have it. Make it as long as you like. Congratulations!
Drama, 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 drama.